Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw mono from Little Nightmares. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with mono from Little Nightmares, we're going to begin by making the head. And we're going to make two lines that are going to come right down here. I'll start right here by making a line that's going to come down. I'll leave some space, and I'll make another line that's going to come down here. Next, we want to make a line that's going to come right across the bottom and make a line that's going to come right across the top. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes in at a diagonal and another one that's going to come in at a diagonal. Then we just want to draw a line right across to connect. Starting here, we want to make the eyes. So we're going to make a nice big circle right here for one eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another nice big circle over here for another eye. Now we want to make his jacket. Starting here, we'll draw a line that goes down and then up. We'll leave a little space and we'll do the same thing over here. Right in the middle, let's make a line that goes down. And then we're going to make a nice long line that's going to come out to here. Now starting here, let's do the same thing. We're making a nice long line that's going to come out. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. And then it's just going to go right down here to meet this line. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go out and then make a nice little line that comes down to connect. Starting right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to come down like this. And we'll do the same thing up here. We're going to go out and then down here for the arms. I'll make a little line right here, and then a little line right here for the sleeves. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come back like this, and we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll go out, and then we'll just come back a little bit for the thumb. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here. And I'll make one more here, and then one more right there. Do the same thing over here. I'm just going to go up, and then bring it right to here. A little line that comes up to here, and then one more there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve across. And I'll make another one that curves right across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And I'll make another one that's going to come down here. I'll make a little line that's going to curve, and then one more. This one will be a little bit longer, and it's going to curve right here. I'm going to make this line go up, and this line go up here, with a little sad face right across here. You want to make a little line that goes right across the bottom of each leg to kind of show where the pants are cuffed up a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to make two lines that come down, and right under here we'll make two lines that come down. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around. I'll add a couple little curved lines for some toes, and then we're just going to bring it right back here. Over here I'm going to make this line go down, and I'm going to make a little line that curves up, and we'll make a couple more for the toes, and then we'll just bring it right back here. Now, right over here, we're going to add his key. I'll start by making a little line that goes up and down. And I'll make another one that goes up and down right here, and we'll stop right about there. Next, right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We'll make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go out, it's going to go up and then over. Bring this line back down. And I will bring it all the way back up here. Next, right up here, we're going to add a little circle for the front part of the jacket. And then we're going to add a couple little circles here for some buttons. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up here, and a little line that's going to come right down here for the jacket. And I'll make another little one that's going to come right up here. I'm going to add a couple little lines right here on the side. And finally, I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve to here. Draw a little line here, and then let's make this line come all the way down to here, just show the back of the jacket. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mono from Little Nightmares. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.